Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Vultr APIs from CI pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Vultr website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the API section in the management interface. Here, you will see options to create an API key. Click on the button to generate a new API key. Give your API key a descriptive name for easy identification. Make sure to set the access permissions according to your needs. Once the key is generated, copy it and keep it secure. Next, open your continuous integration pipeline environment. You will need to configure your environment variables to store the API key. In your CI tool, find the section for managing environment variables. Create a new variable named vultr_API_key and paste your copied API key into the value field. Save your changes to ensure the API key is stored securely. Now, move to your project repository. Open the configuration file where you define your API interactions. In your code, make sure to reference the vultr_API_key environment variable. For example, in a JavaScript file, you can access it using process.env.vultr_API_key. Next, ensure your CI pipeline includes any libraries necessary to make API requests. For instance, if you're using Python, you might want to include the requests library. Write a function in your code that makes an authenticated request to the Vultr API. Include error handling to manage any potential API failures gracefully. Test your configuration by running the CI pipeline. Check the logs for successful authentication and API responses. If you encounter any issues, double-check your API key in your environment variable setup. Once everything is working, your CI pipeline will be able to communicate with the Vultr API effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.